To successfully navigate an aircraft, we need to accurately refer to positions on the surface of the Earth. The aim of this lesson is to describe latitude as used in the position reference system. Firstly, we will see how position is defined on a flat or plane surface. The route depicted here can be represented on a flat piece of paper, for example a map, going from the start point to the end point. The start point or departure point we will call A, and the end point or destination we will call B. Let us look at how to define the position of point A using the x and y axes. We can say that the position of A is defined by the value along the x-axis, 1, and the value along the y-axis, 3, and that position B can likewise be defined by the value along the x-axis, 5, and the value along the y-axis, 1. Determining positions on a flat plane in this manner is referred to as using the Cartesian coordinate system. To transfer these coordinates onto the spherical shape of the Earth, we use a similar method to the Cartesian coordinate system that we have just seen, but need to modify the x and y axes used on a flat piece of paper. The position reference system used on the Earth refers to coordinates using the terms latitude and longitude, which replace the linear x and y axes with a system of angular measurement. Latitude and longitude define a position on the surface of the Earth using angular measurement in degrees and minutes, for extremely accurate and unambiguous position reference.